Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all of you. Now, before starting the last question of exercise 3.1, okay, first of all, I want to clear some of the things which you learned in your previous standards, okay, about the angles, okay. So, when this type means one line is perpendicular to another line, so it makes how much angle? So, this angle is a right angle. It is called what? A right angle, and the measure of this right angle is how much? 90 degree. Always keep this in mind. Understand or not? अगर ये सीधी लाइन है और ये वाली भी लाइन सीधी है, दोनों एक दूसरे से परपेंडिकुलर है, तो दोनों के बीच में जो एंगल बनेगा वो कौन सा होगा? राइट एंगल, और उसका एंगल कितना होगा? 90 डिग्री. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? Here the same thing. One straight line is given to you. Okay, so the angle made here, that angle is called straight angle. So straight angle भी बोला जाता है. And the measure of that straight angle is how much? 180 degree. Keep this in mind. Okay. Now another thing. Suppose this thing is given to you. Okay. ये वाला एंगल कितना है? Okay. That is how much? 50 degree. How much? 50 degree. So what will be this angle? Means ये वाला एंगल कितना होगा? Understand or not? Okay. Why I am explaining this? Because this type of question given in your last question of exercise 3.1. That's why. तो ये वाला एंगल 50 डिग्री है, तो ये वाला एंगल कितना होगा? ओके, सो वी ऑल नो दैट मेजर ऑफ अ स्ट्रेट एंगल इज हाउ मच? 180 डिग्री. यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक एंगल कितना रहेगा? 180 डिग्री रहेगा. अगर 180 में से हम 50 को माइनस कर देंगे तो हमें यहाँ जो एंगल है वो मिलेगा हाउ मच? 130 डिग्री. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? पूरा एंगल है 180, दिया गया है 50, सो 180 में से 50 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो आपको ये जो अननोन एंगल वो मिलेगा. इट इज हाउ मच? 130 डिग्री. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? पहला दो चीजें प्लीज क्लियर कर लेना. ऑल द थ्री थिंग्स, दैट इज राइट एंगल एंड इट इज हाउ मच? 90 डिग्री. ओके, इसको इस तरह बॉक्स से बताया जाता है. अनदर थिंग, दैट इज अ स्ट्रेट एंगल, दैट इज हाउ मच? 180 डिग्री. एंड अनदर थिंग कि अगर दो एंगल्स के अंदर पार्ट दो एंगल्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है स्ट्रेट एंगल, सो व्हाट विल बी इफ वन इज नोन एंड अनदर वन इज अननोन? एक जानते हो आप, एक की वैल्यू, दूसरे की वैल्यू नहीं जानते हो, तो 180 में से जो दिया गया उसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो अननोन वैल्यू आपको मिल जाएगी. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? ओके, नाउ प्रोसीडिंग फर्दर टू आवर लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 3.1. Now in this question we have to find the measure of the unknown angle. Means जो unknown angle दिया गया है उसकी वैल्यू क्या रहेगी? Means what will be its value? Understand or not? So this figure, the first figure is given in your textbook. Okay, this figure is given to you. That this figure, okay, identify which figure it is. It is a quadrilateral. It is which thing? That is the quadrilateral. That means what? It contains four sides. And all of us know about this thing, that the sum of all the angles of quadrilateral is how much? 360 degree. How much? 360 degree. So here we have to do the same thing. Here the angles are given to you: 50 degree, 130 degree, 120 degree and x. So here x is unknown and we have to find the value of x. Understand or not? Okay, so we will proceed with this thing, that the summation of all the angles of quadrilateral is how much? 360 degree. Understand or not? Okay, so sum of all angles of quadrilateral is equal to how much? 360 degree. Sum of all the angles of quadrilateral is how much? 360 degree. Now how much angles are given to you? First one is 50 degree plus, here you have to do the sum, that is the summation, is plus. So another one is 130 degree. Then the next one is 120 degree. And the last one is which thing? That is x. Unknown value, that is equal to how much? 360 degree. Understand or not? So therefore now 50 plus 130 plus 120, that is how much? So 130 plus 120, that is 250, and plus 50, that is 300 degree. So 300 degree plus x is equal to how much? 360 degree. Understand or not? Okay, so therefore x, the value of x is how much? 360 degree minus 300 degree. So therefore the value of x is how much? 60 degree. Understand or not? बहुत ही easy solution है. First question is the easiest one. Okay, Okay, what you have to do? You have to do the solution of all the angles, and that is equal to how much? 360 degree. Understand or not? Okay, so this is the solution of the first figure. Okay, of question number 6 of exercise 3.1. Now proceeding to the next figure. Yes, now the second figure is in this way. This figure is given to you. Okay, the value of the angles are x. We don't know the value. 70 degree, 60 degree, and very much important. Here the measure of the angle is not given to you. यहाँ आपको एंगल का क्या मेजर है वो नहीं दिया गया है. But one thing is clear from this figure that this angle is which angle? That is the right angle. Okay, और इसका मतलब क्या है? ये एंगल कितना होगा? Right angle होगा. कितना होगा? That is how much? 90 degree. Understand or not? Now from here to here, how much angle is total? 180 degree. Understand or not? So if I subtract 90 from 180 degree, so what we obtain here, that is equal to how much? 90 degree. The total angle कितना हो गया? From here to here, that is how much? 90 plus 90. So it is 180 degree. So from the figure it is very clear. अब तो बहुत easy हो गया. ये 90 है, ये भी 90 ही होगा. Understand or not? So all the angles now go to you. Okay, we have to use the same method, that is sum of all angles of which figure it is? It is a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is equal to how much? 360 degree. Understand or not? Okay, now we will do the summation. So first value is x. Therefore x plus another value, that is 70 degree, plus another value, that is 60 degree, and the last value, that is how much? 90 degree is equal to how much? 360 degree. Understand or not? So therefore x plus, now do the summation of all these three values. Okay, so 70 plus 60, that is how much? 130 degree, plus 90, that is how much? That is 220 degree. Understand or not? So 220 degree is equal to how much? 360 degree. Understand or not? Okay, now change the side of 220. So therefore x is equal to 360 degree minus 220 degree. So therefore the value of x is equal to how much? 360 minus 220 degree, that is equal to how much? 140 degree. So the value of unknown angle, that is x, is 140 degree. So this is the solution of the second figure of 6th question. Now the third figure. Okay, this figure is given to you. Okay, now one by one we will check the angles. Okay, so first angle, that is how much? 30 degree. Understand or not? Now these two angles, both the angles are equal, and the value of both the angles is how much? Unknown value, that is x. Understand or not? Now these two things are given to you. That means what? This angle is 60 degree, but we don't know the interior angle. अंदर वाला angle कितना है वो हमें पता नहीं है. And here 70 degree is given to you. We don't know this value. Understand or not? तो हम वही मेथड यूज करेंगे कि 180 में से जो वैल्यू दी गई है उसको माइनस करेंगे, तो जो वैल्यू हमें मिलेगी, so that value is the interior angle of this figure. Understand or not? So here it is 60 degree. So what will be the value of this one? That is 180 minus 60. That is equal to how much? 120 degree. How much? 120 degree. आप ये orally भी कर सकते हो. You don't have to write it. Understand or not? Okay. Now if it is a 70 degree, so 180 minus 70, that is how much? 110 degree. That is equal to how much? 110 degree. Understand or not? So all the five angles are known. Okay. That is 30 degree, x, 110 degree, and 120 degree. Now first of all justify that which figure is given to you. So how many sides are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this side, that is the 5 sides are there. So this figure is which one? That is the pentagon is given to you. And the measure of angle of pentagon, okay, आप angle sum वाले method से भी find कर सकते हो. That is equal to how much? 540 degree. Understand or not? कोई भी figure हो, आप उस figures के summation of all the angles of that figure can be calculated on the basis of angle sum property. Understand or not? This is the summation of all the angles of the figure. Okay, कल ही हमने जो वो चीज discuss की थी. Okay, in the previous question of our exercise. Understand or not? So sum of all angles of pentagon, that is it contains 5 sides. That is why it is called pentagon. That is equal to how much? 540 degree. 540 degree किस तरह से So side is how much? 5. So 5 minus 2, that is how much? 3. 3 multiplied by 180 degree, that is equal to how much? 540 degree. Understand or not? Okay. So sum of all the, अब हम समेशन लेंगे सभी एंगल्स का. तो फर्स्ट एंगल इज हाउ मच? Therefore 30 degree plus another angle is how much? X plus another angle is how much? 110 degree plus another angle, that is equal to how much? 120 degree plus the last angle, that is equal to how much? That is the unknown value, that is x is equal to 540 degree. Understand or not? Now do the summation. So therefore now here x plus x is given to you. So x plus x, that is equal to how much? 2x plus. Now 30 degree, 110 degree and 120 degree. So what is the solution? So 110 and 120, that is equal to how much? 230 and 30, that is 260 degree. So 260 degree is equal to 540. Understand or not? Okay. So therefore 2x is equal to 540 degree minus 260 degree. Understand or not? So therefore 2x is equal to, now 540 minus 260, that is equal to how much? 260 degree. 260 degree. Okay, but we have to find the value of x here. So therefore x is equal to, अब ये तुम देखो x के साथ है, जिस तरह प्रीवियस चैप्टर में हमने पढ़ा था, तो 2 कहाँ चल जाएगा? इन द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ 260 डिग्री. So that is 260 degree divided by 2. So 230 is 260. Okay. So therefore x is equal to how much? 130 degree. So the value of x is how much? 130 degree. Understand or not? So in this way you can find the unknown value. लेकिन यहाँ सबसे important चीज क्या है कि अगर एक्सटीरियर एंगल दिया है, मींस फिगर के बाहर वाला जो एंगल रहता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सटीरियर एंगल बोलते हैं. अगर एक्सटीरियर एंगल दिया है तो आपको 180 से माइनस करके इंटीरियर फाइंड करना है. यहाँ भी हमें ये चीज सेम करनी है. देन आफ्टर दैट फिगर को जस्टिफाई करो और उसके अकॉर्डिंग व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स ऑफ दैट फिगर, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें सॉल्व करना है. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? नाउ प्रोसीडिंग टू द नेक्स्ट फिगर. Yes, now the next figure. Okay, one of the figure is given to you in this way. Okay, so first of all we will justify that which figure it is. Okay, so on the basis of the number of sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 sides are given to you. That is, this figure is which one? That is the pentagon. Now these 2 lines are there on the sides. That shows what? All the sides are equal. सारी sides कैसी है? लेंथ के अंदर equal है. So we can call it as regular pentagon. इसको हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Regular pentagon. Why? Because all the sides are equal. And if all the sides are equal of a regular pentagon, then the angles are also equal. The angles are also equal. If this angle is x, this angle is also x. This angle is also x. This angle is also x. And this angle is also x. Understand or not? So if all the sides are equal, then all the angles for a regular pentagon, all the angles are also equal. Understand or not? So we will use the same method. Pentagon hai, so summation of all the angles of the pentagon is how much? 540 degree. Understand or not? So the sum of regular pentagon, or you can write pentagon also chalega. Pentagon, sum of all the angles, all the angles of pentagon is how much? इसके पहले वाला समी हमने क्या था? That is the summation of all the angles of pentagon is how much? 540 degree. So 540 degree. Understand or not? Now what are the value of the angles? Unknown value, that is x, x, x and x. So therefore x plus x plus x plus x and plus x. Why? Because 5 times x are given to you. That is equal to how much? 540. Understand or not? Now how many times x are given to you? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So therefore 5x is equal to 540 degree. Understand or not? Now changing the side of 5. So therefore x is equal to 540 degree divided by Understand or not? Okay, so 540 degree divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5. Understand or not? 0 and 5 8s are, that is 40. Understand or not? So therefore the value of x is equal to how much? 108 degree. That is all the angles of a regular pentagon having the measure how much? 180 degree. Understand or not? आप इसको डिवीजन करोगे तो भी पता चल जाएगा. कैंसलेशन की मेथड वही है. 5 ones are 5. Okay, no digits remain, so it is 0 and 5 8s are 40. Understand or not? So the value of the angle is how much? 180 degree. Understand or not? Okay, try to understand. If the regular figure is given to you, that means what? All the angles are equal. Okay, if all the sides are equal, understand or not? For any of the figure. Okay, now proceeding to the next figure. Now the next figure given to you is this. Okay, means एक आपको figure दिया गया है. Okay, the angles are given to you. Okay, now we will simplify it on the basis of जो straight angle वाली method है. मैंने आपको बताया थी ना कि एक straight angle है. Okay, उसको दो parts में divide किया है. एक known है और एक unknown है. तो जो known है उसको 180 से subtract करोगे तो जो value मिलेगी that is the value of the unknown angle. Understand or not? So here we have to do the same thing. Okay, first one I will find the value of x. तो देखो एक straight line यहाँ है, ठीक है? So what will be the angle between these two lines? Means ये total angle कितना होगा? 180 degree. It is how much? 180 degree. Understand or not? Here what we have to find? We have to find x plus y plus z. Means हमें पहले x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, फिर y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, फिर z की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, और फिर तीनों का समेशन करना है. So first of all, I will go with this. That means what? The summation of these two angles is how much? 180 degree. So therefore, x plus 90 degree is equal to how much? 180 degree. Okay, why? Because this is a straight angle. Understand or not? So from here, I will find the value of x. So therefore, x is equal to 180 degree minus 90. So therefore, x is equal to 90 degree. Understand or not? ये चीज आप ओरली भी फाइंड कर सकते हो. ओके, इस तरह बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे यहाँ क्या x plus y plus z करना है. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? सो आई विल फाइंड इट इंडिविजुअली. ओके, नाउ अनदर वन वी आर कंसीडरिंग दिस एंगल. ओके, सो द टोटल एंगल इज हाउ मच? 180 डिग्री. सो therefore z plus 30 degree is equal to how much? 180 degree. Understand or not? Changing the side of 30, so therefore z is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree. Understand or not? So therefore the value of z here obtaining is how much? 150 degree. Okay, x की वैल्यू मिल गई हमें, z की वैल्यू हमें मिल गई. Now we have to find the value of y. Okay, a very much important that we don't know what is the value interior of the figure is given to you. Exterior angle तो y दिया गया है, लेकिन interior angle क्या है वो हमें पता नहीं है. मींस फिगर के अंदर आने वाला एंगल कितना है we don't know. Understand or not? तो उसको मैं नेम दे रहा हूँ एज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. उसको क्या देता हूँ? एज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. अब जिस तरह यहाँ मैंने जो प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई की, यहाँ जो प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई की, the same property I will apply here also. That is question mark plus y is equal to how much? 180 degree. Question mark plus y is equal to 180 degree. Understand or not? फिगर के अंदर मैंने क्या लिया? क्वेश्चन मार्क जो लिया हुआ है that is in the interior of figure. Understand or not? So what is the value of it? So therefore the value of question mark is how much? That is equal to how much? 180 degree minus y. How much? 180 degree minus y. Okay, x की वैल्यू तो ऑलरेडी नोन है, हमें मिल गई है. y की वैल्यू भी सॉरी z की वैल्यू हमें मिल गई है. y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, लेकिन y की वैल्यू फाइंड करने से पहले मैं क्वेश्चन मार्क की वैल्यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ y फाइंड करता हूं. इट इज हाउ मच? 180 minus y. Understand or not? Okay, now proceeding further. Now here which figure is given to you? Okay, so here the figure given to you, I am considering only this figure. Which figure is given to you? So this figure is which one? That is a triangle. And what is the angle sum of the triangle? That means what? Summation of all the angles of a triangle is how much? 180 degree. So therefore sum of That is equal to how much? 180 degree. Okay. Now we will put one by one value. First value is how much? 90 degree. So therefore 90 degree plus another value, that is the integral of a time, that is 30 degree, and another value, that is the question mark, we don't know, so that is the question mark is equal to 180 degree. Understand or not? Okay. So therefore now 90 plus 30, that is 120 degree, plus अब question mark की value हमने आगे already बताई, that is the value of question mark is about 180 minus y. So 180 degree minus y is equal to 180 degree. Understand or not? Okay. So therefore 120 degree minus y is equal to 180 की साइड चेंज करूंगा, so 180 minus 180. ओके. और एक और चीज यहाँ बताता हूँ, अगर दो वैल्यू इक्वल टू के उस तरफ और इक्वल टू के इस तरफ सेम है, जो भी वैल्यू इक्वल टू के उस तरफ और इस तरफ सेम है, मींस दोनों ही वैल्यू सेम है और दोनों की साइन भी सेम है, ये भी पॉजिटिव है और ये भी पॉजिटिव है, तो आप डायरेक्ट कैंसिल भी कर सकते हो. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? ओके. सो देयरफॉर 120 डिग्री माइनस y इज इक्वल टू 180 minus 180, that is equal to 0. Understand or not? Okay. Now changing the value of y. y यहाँ नेगेटिव है, उस तरफ आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. So therefore y of 120 degree is equal to 0 plus y, और I can write it as 0 plus y, तो मैं क्या ऐसे y भी लिख सकता हूँ. So here we are obtaining the value of y, that is equal to how much? 120 degree. मुझे यहाँ y की वैल्यू कितनी मिलती है? 120 degree. Understand or not? So I will find the value, that is x plus y plus z. So x plus y plus z. Okay. So therefore x plus y plus z is equals to what is the value of x? x की वैल्यू में क्या मिली? 90 डिग्री. Plus what is the value of z? That is equal to how much? 150 degree. Plus what is the value of y? That is how much? 120 degree. Okay. So that is equal to 90 plus 150 plus 120. That is equal to how much? Okay. Do the solution. So 90 plus 150, that is 240 degree plus 120. That is equal to how much? 360 degree. So that is equal to how much? 360 degree. Understand or not? So in this way, or this is a method to find the unknown angle. Understand or not? Okay. Now proceeding further to the next question or next figure. So here I am giving you the last figure as your homework. Try to solve it by yourself. Okay. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, बहुत ही इजी है. ओके. इंक्रीज योर इंटरेस्ट while solving this the last figure. Understand or not? And if any query related to that question, okay, so comment me in the comment box. Understand or not? So thank you very much and have a good day.